All right, let's get started. We got quite a few of us today. And begin. Just holding it for 30 seconds, strengthening the tendons in the wrist. You're just gonna put it into the rack position and then use your knee bend a little bit just to push up. You want our shoulders down, elbows locked out, and then just put it back in the rack position and up and back down. Turn shot 5, double stepping flower. And out, set, looking to our left, and dumbbell hook, then gua tung choi, hammer, ala choi, white punch, chow choi, white toppling, tip cow, and bung sao. Kat, there was something that you did that I want to point out, and then when you moved, you kept your hands there and you stayed low, then you turned around and did that. That looked a lot better. So if we ever need to do that in a performance, or let's say we run out of space at a competition, that's ideally how we want to do it too. Selo banda. Down. Set. Turn to the left. And double block, left tight righting. Right toe kick, left elbow, wipe. Waist chop, back smash, toe kick, jumping toe kick, belly kicking punch, stand up, ala choi, turn around, hing choi, bing choi, hook whipping fin. This move here, pop that yin yang palm, so the positive, negative palm. So just striking here, but the alternate name is white goose, swats with its wings. We'll start off right foot forward, and remember the hands. We want that left hand to block first. So block first, and then slap with the back of the right hand. So it's 1, 2. And the main thing I want to feel is the waist turn. I want to see if I can use the waist turn to generate the power. And yep. E. And yep. E. Grab cross kick, step back, and straight punch. And yes, I do want you to push through that left palm and then end up in that low left forward stance. So from the on guard, grab cross kick and straight punch. And yep, grab cross kick, hong choi, back set, E. Some, say. Propping kick, that's what we call it for this move when we just jump. And technically it's a collapsing stance and we're kicking with that leg. And typically we're also adding the hands too. So grab down into that collapsing stance. But it's also known as double sealing hand, which makes sense. You're grabbing the arm, you're sealing it off, someone's punching, you block that, you block the other one, and you're sealing it down so that way they can't hurt you. Just right forward, grab into the collapsing stance. Actually, you might as well try both sides. Once you go on that side, then grab on the other into the collapsing stance on the other side as well. So I'm gonna block here first. This is my right leg, and then I'm gonna grab, seal it off, grab here. Now I can break the knee, kick on the side, or I can just press it in front and I can just take her down over here. Yep. E. Some. Say. We'll go 1 minute, punching through our palms. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to do it to a beat, da, 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 da. Try to punch through your palm. Not too hard, not too soft. Thumb tucked in. All right, good. So let's go and bow it out. Salute, and bow to school. Courtesy and respect. And clap and miss. Good job, you guys. Happy New Year.
See you next year.
Yeah,
See you then.
see you next year.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy New Year to
Bye.
all. Stay safe and healthy.
You too.
Too.